He's going, people. But so I had a couple of days off over Christmas. You know, I had to throw together a quick loft to get all that, to stop the overcrowding in Bronson's little loft. So that one's about 3 meters long, about 1.6 deep, I think by memory, about 1.8 at the about 1.6 the 1. That's about 1.8 to there, and the back would be about 1.7. I've got plenty of breathing holes through it because it's sort of on a corner of my yard, so got the breathers through the top, through the side there. I've got fingernails, got sort of, you know, plenty of air getting through it anyway. So it's not hot in it. It's actually better than what I actually thought it was going to be in there. So it's pretty good. Got all young birds in there. These will be my home. I'm just going to raise all young birds this year, obviously. But at the moment, there's no floor in it. I'm just going to put marine ply floor, or form ply floor in it. So there's the youngs. This is only 17 birds in here. Still got a couple over in Bronson's loft I would like to put in here. But there are all the youngsters in there. They like it, they seem to like it in here. It's very, very cool in here, so pretty good. Nice pigeons. I have to paint all that framing. Yeah, it's only pine frame in there, so I'm gonna have to paint the shit out of that with and that plywood of it. Also with weatherproof paint. So, but yeah, I never really spent much on this loft. I spent about $50 on framing, and the rest was out of scraps from the yard. So that's that. There's all scraps there. Didn't want a mess. What you doing, Georgie boy? Georgie boy, what are you doing, mate? You going, Georgie? There's Mad Max there. You on the chain again? Oh, Mad Max. Go check out Bronson's birds. So there was 40 something birds in here the other day, or yesterday, and now it's back to around 28 or 30 birds, and I've got 28 in there now. So all is good. There's my silver there. Silver's mum down there, that yellow. Her dad's over in the shop. She's on a baby, that yellow hen there. She's on a baby. That fella's on eggs, and there, so Bronson's birds. That one, red grizzly is the one that broke its leg. Now putting a lot of weight on it. Very good news. Bronson's birds. There's some crackers in there. I'm still going to grab a few of them. And so they'll let them out for a fly too. Come on. Come on. Come on. The ones that stay are the ones that usually stay are the ones that have got the eggs. So she's got eggs. Them two there, they haven't got eggs in it, and they're not young birds, but they haven't really been flying. So I don't know what their problem is. I'm thinking I might put them over in my loft, loft of youngsters, because they're not really flying that nice pencil clockbird. He's a beautiful pigeon. Look at him. He doesn't seem to want to fly. So I don't know what his problem is. I might just put him over with my birds in a minute, along with that hen next to him. But yeah, that one there, I'm not sure what's up with that one there either. Strange. Like the yellow one's not flying because it's got eggs, but the rest of them's really no excuse for them, you know. That one's not. I'll go and have a look at those birds. Where are these flyers? I hope they haven't. Oh, they're way up there already. Staying right up there. I can't even see them now. Bugger. I was going to film them flying and give you a look, but they sort of pushed right out straight away, so oh well. There's the budgies. Kids budgies. And old peewee. All the birds we had in here with canker are healed now, and in that other loft, the grizzle that was down there is healed. This bloke's pretty much healed, but his nestmate was there. He's still got a bit of sore, like a bit of canker sores around his face, but he's healed up. Like it's not active canker anymore. It's actually dead. It's just, yeah, he's still sort of healing up from the sores he had on him, but it's all dried out now, so he'll be right. I'll give him another couple of days to, you know, start looking better, and I'll put him in with the other ones. I've only kept his brother in there because, or his sister, whatever it is, because I don't want him to be locked up in there by himself, but he's good now. Alright, now the stock loft. Took a few youngsters out of the stock loft yesterday. They're ready for a feed. Look at them. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey? They're a pair, those two at the front there. What are you doing? There's George again. They're a pair too, these fellas. What are you doing? Hey? What are you doing? Look at George. You gotta be right, son. Come on. Look at some of the babies. Right, so no eggs up there. These babies here are going up the road to another flyer. He's taking 10 off me. Well, I'm just going to breed him 10 because I told him I would. There's going to be blue bars, these fellas, by the looks of them. So 2 blue bars here. They generally have tippers and stuff, and like they generally have white tips on their wings, and they're usually pies, but not these ones. They're just straight out blue bars. So pretty lucky there. It looks like we've got 2 blacks here for him. 2 pure blacks. So we got lucky there with 2 pure blacks. You know, we got very lucky. They're beautiful pigeons. So, you know, oh, he might have ticks on his eyes. That fella. He's a nice bird. Yeah, I might have ticks on his eyes. Yeah, very good bird. And then you got these youngsters here too. 2 more beauties. I think one will be oh, looks like 2 blue bars this time. Show me. Yeah, I think they're going to be 2 blue bars this time, really. I generally get a blue bar and a dark checker out of this pair, but not this time. They're going to be, by the looks of it, 2 blue bars. So, pretty interesting. pretty cool. Get in there, mate. So there's 6 for old mate down the road, Justin. So far, his hands on eggs again. I'm waiting for that pair to have eggs. This fella's on eggs, but he didn't fill his last round, so I floated some eggs under him. The hen that had these eggs, she let them. She stopped sitting on them for one night, and they went a bit cold. So I put them under. I took them off her and put under this bloke. So I'm not sure whether they, I'm not quite sure whether they died in the egg or not. But we're going to give them a chance and see if we can. Come on, mate. Come up there. Come on. Right, so that's that. Another youngster there. He had a bit of canker on his beak. He's still got it there. As soon as they heal up, I'll put him in the other loft too. In that other loft a bit. Hang on, Hayes. I'm just making a quick video of the stock birds. So it's basically all older birds in here now. All my stock birds. We'll check. And she's got 2 eggs now again, which I hope got filled. Now this is see this grizzle here. She keeps sitting on another hen's eggs. She's the one that let her eggs go cold, and now she's sitting on the white hen's eggs. This is a bit frustrating. She's frustrating the hell out of me. This grizzle hen. I don't know what I'm going to do with her.
But at least it's still been sat on.
I might oh, this one's I don't know if it's been chipped from her playing about or whether they're chipping out. I'm not sure. Like, I think they're chipping out. Well, looks like it's been dented in, not dented out. That's the thing, Bronze. See? See how they go.
Dad, Mum and Ivy are still on the walk, and me and Bronson are already home.
I think what I'm going to do with this hen is I'm going to grab her out of there. I'll give her to Bronson. Here you go, Bronson. Grab this hen and put it in that other loft, mate, please. Don't let it. Nah, the new youngster loft, mate. Hold her with 2 hands. She's very strong. Very strong.
And
bastard of a thing just pissed on me. I just vomited on me, I think.
yes, vomiting.
Is it vomiting?
Yeah.
Put it in the bloody other loft.
And me and Bronson.
Spewed all on you.
Me and Bronson.
So yeah, I want that white hen to go back in there and see. She sits on her own eggs, so.
Dad.
Yeah, but that's. Oh, there's one more baby I wanted to show you. Just hang on. Out of my little black grizzle. Hang on, Hayes. No, just wait there for a sec. This baby. So this one here's not going to the bloke up the road. It's out of me black grizzle, or Bronson's black grizzle, and looks like we're going to get a black out of him. So it's strange. Like we've got a black grizzle and a blue bar through this fella, which looks like he's going to be a very dark sort of black pigeon. Like he might turn out to be a grizzle after moult. He might moult out to be a grizzle or something like that. But we'll just have to see.
Flap already.
Yeah, them 2 black ones. They're going up to Justin. Those 2 pure blacks. Come on, Hayes. I'm gonna. I've got a bit of a job to do up here.
Bye, guys.
I've got to water them and feed them, and 3 lofts to do now, not 2. So, oh, there's the birds there. Look.
Can I show them the new loft we made?
I've already showed them, babe. I've already showed them the new loft.
Can I go in here, Dad?
No, well, I've just got to catch a couple of birds out of there. I need to open that for me, honey. Just stay there, Hayes. You can carry one. No, don't go in there. Yeah. I want you to shut that for me, Hayes.
What one do you want me to
I just want to see if this birdie needs to be bent. So that's the yellow hen. I'm not sure what this baby is going to be. I know I'm going to guess it. I'm going to guess and say it might be a mealy or a grizzle. That's my guess. But he'll need a band soon. But yeah, I'm gonna catch that pencil one, that one there, and so those two and that one, and put them in the other loft, and I'll yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So I'll get Hayes is gonna carry one over to the other loft for me, and I'll carry the other two, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, see you guys.